Christian, say hi. Christian. Hey. Christian. Say hi.
Christian. Hi.
Christian, say hi.
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 Oh my God.
I don't have it. Hey. Christian.
Okay.
Say hi.
Christian, hi.
Hey, say hi.
Okay. Take it out.
Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Come here.
Oh, Richie. You love him? Little boy. Hey. Little boy.
Look up.
Christian.
Shake it, baby. Shake it if you can. Shake it, baby.
Let me see.
No.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh. Say hi. You gonna play T-ball?
Right in his face.
See his face.
Yeah, have the dog.
Go easy to the doggies. Don't be.
Here, walk this way. Come here.
Do not to the doggies.
Don't lick. It's licking him. Leave it alone. Good, lick him. It's hurting his ear.
No, it's not. Christian, say hi.
I love him. I love him. Say hi to the babies. Say hi to the babies. Hi. Hi. Say hi, Mia. Say hi, Mia.
What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm good.
Well, you look like a man on a mission to me.
I have a
Stop.
bunch of MAC lipsticks I have to go through. I haven't used them in a long time. And I think I have more down here. I have to go through all this makeup.
No,
I have some blushes. I have a bunch of the, oh my God, I can't think of the word. When the, this one's pretty. This is a pretty blush. It's like a peachy color. These are those Hourglass ambient lighting powers, and this I love. Gorgeous. What else? Bunch of makeup palettes, bunch of makeup geek eyeshadows I haven't even opened yet. Bunch of MAC eyeshadows I haven't opened yet. Bunch of palettes. These are old. These are from the Hello Kitty line that MAC came out with. These are so cute. I have another one here too. Eyeshadow palettes. All the Naked Decay palettes. NARS. I gotta go through this. Bunch of MAC. Like the color tattoos by Maybelline. I have the MAC ones, like Painterly and all that. The eye bases. Bunch of eyeliners.
Who do I see?
All MAC eyeshadows. Some Infallibles, some NYX. All pigments. All these pigments from MAC.
Where's he staying? Next door.
And Bunch of MAC eyelashes. A bunch of foundations, powders, mascaras, highlighters, brushes. I'm going to do a makeup collection. If you guys want to see it, let me know. Like I said, this is all mostly MAC lipsticks. The Wonder Woman collection that they came out with. I have a bunch of those. The Archie one that I showed you. The Marilyn Monroe one. Bunch of brushes. Let me know. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. When she blows it out. Happy birthday, dear Destiny. Happy birthday to you.
Do it slowly so I can take it.
Yay!
Cake secret wish you now must make 20 candles and it doesn't matter. It's gonna get deleted anyway.
Hooray!
All right, now you're looking.
Yeah, seriously.
So we're at a 50th birthday party. Say hi, everybody. Wave. Wave, it's a video. Say hi, Billy.
You know where I live, right?
I'd say no.
So the party's at this restaurant called Finn's. You can see that. Let me try. Focus. Really, really nice place. It's a beautiful night. It's right on the water.